Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on Instagram post. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app. As see from here, then you need to click on your profile picture on the down right corner. Then from here you need to click on edit your profile. After that, you need to scroll down till you see contact options. Now see, you need to click on it. And from here you need to add WhatsApp business phone number. Click on it, and from here you need to add your phone number. Click on send code and install WhatsApp business. After that, it will redirect you to WhatsApp business, and then you can copy the code and put it down here. So after you have connected your WhatsApp business, so from here, after you have created a post, you will find add a message button, and then you can choose WhatsApp as an option. After that, you can share the post and everything will be okay. But this option will not show to you if your account is not creator or business account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.